So guys, welcome back to in my computer screen. So now we can see here I am just trying to take a screenshot of my mobile phone. Yeah, but it's telling me that can't take screenshot due to security policy. It's telling me like that. So how to fix this one? So if I'm just trying to take a screenshot of my mobile phone, it's telling me that can't take a screenshot due to security policy. It's telling me like that. For this one, it is simple. So now we can say I'm using this one in the incognito mode or private mode. So that's why it is not working. Okay. So you have to close this one, and now you can see. So if I went here and if I take the screenshot, now it will work. Okay, so just you have to close the incognito mode in your Google Chrome. Then after that, you will be able to fix the problem of the can take screenshot due to privacy error. Okay, so hoping that you get solution. So that's it.